Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are all doing well. Alhamdulillah, we are fine too. Today I am going to teach you a recipe of Shami kebab. I already posted its ingredient over here. So still, if you have any question, you can ask me anytime below the comment section. So let's get started. First we need onion, garlic, bay leaves and mutton. Instead of mutton, you can use chicken or beef, whatever you have at home. In 1 kg meat, we're gonna add half kg chana dal and also all these ingredients like coriander, salt, cumin, cardamom, green cardamom, cloves, aniseed and mace powder. And make sure soak the dal for 3 to 4 hours before cooking. For boiling meat, I already have added water in my Instapot. I added 2 glasses of water because we just need enough water which is required to cook our meat and dal. Moreover, one more thing I would like to share with you, the meat and the dal we're gonna cook separately because sometimes dal takes less time, so I don't wanna make it overcook. If the dal becomes very soft, it will not let your kebab hold its shape very well. You can adjust the amount of spices according to your taste. Now I am going to add all these spices with meat into water. So now let it boil for 30 minutes. In 30 minutes, inshallah, it will be cooked well. You can see meat is done. Now it's time to cook the dal. But first we're gonna remove the meat from this water. So in remaining water we can cook the dal. Within 10 minutes the dal will be ready. This is the remaining water in which we are going to cook the dal. If some chunks of meat are left in the water, it doesn't matter. Now I am going to shred this meat. the texture of your meat will be like this. Our dal is ready. Make sure there is no water remaining in the dal, otherwise your kebab will not be able to hold its proper shape. Now we are going to blend the dal in the blender. Now our dal will be look like this. Now we are going to sort it out with the shredded meat. Now we are going to mix up all this mixture. Make sure don't forget to add green chilies, cumin and coriander because they will give nicer taste to your kebab. I am skipping green chilies because the reason is my kids they don't like to have spicy things, so that's why I omit green chilies, but you don't forget to add them. It's time to mold the meat into the shape of Shami kebab. For giving them shape, you can use any of these molds. If you use them, they will come out in the same size and same shape. I am going to coat them with eggs and after that I will fry them. The final look of my kebab, you can enjoy them with tea or you can make their sandwiches. Enjoyed another one of my personalized recipe, do try them out and tell me about them in the comment section. And as always, subscribe, like and share the video. Also don't forget to follow our Instagram. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.